Voyage, how's it going? Very excited about today. I'm going on a boat ride, and a bike ride, and a train ride. I'm taking the train from Luxembourg City to Wasserbillig, and then I'm going to ride my bike from Wasserbillig to Grevenmacher. And in Grevenmacher, I'm getting on the Marie Astrid. And I'm going to take Marie Astrid down the Moselle to Remich. It should be amazing, because the views on the Moselle, ooh, can't go wrong over there. So join me. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is a pretty amazing ship. I'm here with Misha.
I'm from the Netherlands, living in Luxembourg. We are having lunch downstairs, which is also incredible.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful day, and look at this surroundings. It's incredible.
Yeah, the views are amazing. I mean, you don't really get this anywhere else that I can think of in Luxembourg.
No, not at all.
Right up there is that Burmer Kapelle. Here, I'll show it to you. Right up there. Well, it's such an amazing way to get a different perspective on places I've been to before. Like that. Wow, that was really cool. I highly recommend that. The views were spectacular. Thank you for joining me. Adi, ciao. Tip top.